Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis many times before, but it's been several weeks since the last update I did. But want to get things updated here as the chart is now starting to drift downwards again. And I realize the chart's getting a little bit trickier to see here, but that's going to just do a better job of kind of illustrating why the price from a technical perspective is starting to enter into a very important level from the charting perspective. And that's right here at $4.15, which is essentially right where it bounced off of today. And why is 415 so important? Well, if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that way back here, there was quite a bit of history with the price right around $4.15. And each and every time the price did indeed hold. And the interesting part from a trading perspective is that this 415 mark has produced several bounces. Now, don't get me wrong though, and I really wish trading was this easy. I wish I could say that because the price has bounced from 415 before, then it is for sure getting ready to bounce off of that point and then continue on like it's done in the past. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of follow through and bounce? No, that would not be shocking, but myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that a bounce is for sure going to happen. But again, it at least makes sense for somebody to question if a bounce were to occur, as in if the price, when the price was just falling, at no point did it say, I wonder if the price, could bounce. There is no reason to say that. Now there's at least a reason to wonder and to say that maybe the price could bounce. Again, not a guarantee it happens, but it just makes logical sense. In the event 415 does not hold, by no means am I saying the price is, going to drop straight down there. But, the next overall level of support wouldn't be until down around the $4 mark. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this thing starts to turn back around, I'm going to scrunch up the chart here. Really, the main level of resistance to watch is going to be the purple line right there, which on my chart is denoting the 50-period moving average. So as the name implies, as time goes by, that line is going to move itself lower and lower, and it'll get more and more relevant. So keep an eye on that, but really, in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking resistance levels. It's more so trying to stabilize, because as I've shown, 415 has been the pretty historic level. So let's see if the bulls can chip away and build a higher base here or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.